from Tajman and Medics. I've got a Chevrolet Spark here on a 2012 plate. Just going to replace a brake light bulb, which is this one here. That's not working. It is a double filament bulb, so the tail light, the brake light is exactly the same. So you press the brakes for me, please. Right, as you can see, that one there, come in. This one's working, but then this one here on this side isn't working. To replace it is quite a simple procedure. You can let go of the brakes, thank you. Switch the car off as well. Let go, switch the car off. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You've got two little screws there, so one on the bottom here. You undo it all the way, and then take the top one out. But make sure, if you're working on the roadside, do not drop this anyway. But it is a Phillips screwdriver, so a Phillips screw, so you may be able to find one. Do the same thing on this side. Take this out. Now if you did want the bulb, it is a 380 bulb. It's a double filament bulb. Again, you can find that on in my description where to get it from. There'll be a link there as well. But all you then now do is you've got to try to pull this towards you on this side here. If I do it, that's it. Now there was a lug, as you can see right there. So this was stopping it from coming out. So they are quite tight. Now this is the bulb we're replacing, the top one. So twist that to my left, take it out. Like I said to you, it is a double filament bulb, which is a 380 once again. For the new one, slot the new one in. There'll be only one way the new one would go. So if I wanted to put it like this, it won't go in. So if I do this, it'll go in nicely. I then slot the whole thing back in. Twist that to my right. I slot it in through here where the lug is. Push it in. Now I'm going to show you the brake back to work. As you can see now, they are working, yeah? That's it, that's all you had to do on this particular model. I am going to put the screws back in, but you don't forget them. But that's all you have to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, do leave us a message. And do check out the playlist for Chevy as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.